It's no secret that a healthy lifestyle is key to longevity and well-being. One way to supercharge your health is by incorporating green smoothies into your diet. These nutrient-packed beverages can do wonders for your body. Today, we're showcasing a special recipe from GingerWithSpice, a green smoothie designed to soothe your stomach while providing you with essential nutrients. Let's dive into the world of green smoothies, specifically a recipe designed to soothe your stomach and enrich your body with essential nutrients. Our green smoothie recipe calls for a blend of nutrient-packed ingredients. Let's break them down one by one, shall we? First up, we have spinach. This leafy green is not just for Popeye. It's packed with iron, a vital mineral that helps produce red blood cells and transport oxygen throughout your body. So next time you're feeling a bit sluggish, reach for some spinach. Then we have lemon. This citrus fruit is a powerhouse of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that boosts your immune system, brightens your skin, and even improves your mood. It's also a fantastic source of hydration, providing a refreshing zing to our green smoothie. Next in line is the humble banana. This fruit is a fantastic source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. It also adds a natural sweetness to our smoothie, making it both healthy and delicious. On to our next ingredient, ginger. This root is a well-known digestive aid that helps soothe an upset stomach. It's also been known to reduce inflammation and pain, adding a spicy kick to our smoothie. Finally, we have chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're packed with fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, and aids in digestion. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Each of these ingredients brings its unique collection of nutrients to the table, making our green smoothie not just a tasty treat, but a health-boosting powerhouse. Now that we know our players, it's time to bring them together and create our green smoothie. Armed with our ingredients and their health benefits, we're ready to create our green smoothie. We'll start with the base, the backbone of our smoothie, the spinach. Packed with iron and fiber, this leafy green brings a lot to the table. We're going to blend it with the juice of a freshly squeezed lemon. This citrus kick not only adds a refreshing tang, but also aids digestion. Next up, it's time to add our banana and ginger into the mix. The ripe banana adds a creamy texture, making our smoothie delightfully smooth while also providing a natural sweetness. As for the ginger, it brings a subtle spiciness that warms the palate, not to mention its renowned anti-inflammatory properties. Last but not least, we're going to sprinkle in some chia seeds. These tiny but mighty seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, offering protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. They blend seamlessly into the smoothie, adding a slight crunch and a whole lot of goodness. All we need to do now is blend it all up. Within a matter of minutes, our ingredients transform into a smooth, vibrant green smoothie. It's that easy and that quick. And there you have it, a refreshing, nutrient-packed green smoothie in just a few simple steps. So, what makes this green smoothie a powerhouse of nutrition? Each ingredient is a star in its own right, working together to create a symphony of health benefits. The leafy green spinach, packed with fiber, aids digestion, while its high iron content energizes you. The tangy lemon not only gives the smoothie a refreshing kick, but also boosts your immune system with its high vitamin C content. This blend of ingredients is designed to soothe an upset stomach, making it an excellent choice when you're feeling a bit off. But the benefits don't stop there. With its nutrient-dense profile, this smoothie is an ideal way to kickstart your day, ensuring you're fueled with the goodness of nature. And the best part? You can customize the smoothie to suit your tastes and nutritional needs. It's all about creating a balance that works for you. So if you're looking for a tasty way to up your health game, this green smoothie is a must-try. Remember, a healthy lifestyle starts with small changes, and this green smoothie is a great step in the right direction. Cheers to health. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.